If you are looking to elevate your Forex trading journey, then these 3 applications that I'm going to be sharing here is just going to be helping you so much in terms of your trend. So make sure that you follow me on our social media platform at Dantech to learn more of this. And the application, my favorite one that I actually like so much is called Myfxbook. That is my FXBook. So if you look so well on my FX, you see we have a lot of things that you can just learn here. So if you click up one here where we have 3 dots on the left side here, you see we have like portfolio, signals, Forex, tribute, calendar, market, and news, outlook, and calculator. So we have a lot of things that you can just do exactly on this application, and it's just going to help you as a trader. The favorite one, if you just go to the calendar, as you can see here, you can just be checking on the news, and it will just be indicating to you the kind of the news that are going to be released here. For example, we have the building permit, which is bringing a low impact towards that currency, and you can see there are some that are written low, the ones that you see on the left side here, which is low, and we have the yellow ones which is medium. This is orange, I think, and we have the red ones with a high impact news. So when we just get something like this, for example, you can see it is USD, which is jobless claims. The moment you just click that, it will explain to you what that means and how it can just impact the economy in terms in case we just get those news. So the other things which is very interesting still on this calendar is we just got the setting above on the right side up here. You see something very important here, because you can receive notification when those news happens. For example, you can turn this off or turn this on. So what normally happens here is that the moment there is high impact news and you just select that, so do you want for it to sound, for example, you like how the messages comes to your phone when there's the news, you get that alert, you say yes, I just want the sound, and the symbols, which currencies do you want to receive news. Let me say even all of them, I just mark all of them just like that, and then which high impact news do you want to be receiving here. I just want to be receiving only medium, and all these two, the medium and high impact news. And the alarm that I'm going to be receiving here is prior to let's say even 20 minutes or 10 minutes, so that I can just prepare, so that anytime there is high impact news, then I can just be alerted 10 minutes before. So that is going to be interesting. Anytime there is going to be a news or high impact or that impact, then I'm just going to be receiving alert to tell me that I'm going to be receiving, there is going to be a news, so that I can just prepare on the same. The other thing that you're just going to be very interesting here is just go to the market on seal those 3 dots, and then just go to the market here. You receive on how this is just moving. It just look like a signals, and you can just be trading according to that. So you can see how this entered here, how so many traders have been entering all their signals analysis here, and you can just be participating in this in case you just want on that. You can even be checking on their technical analysis here, and you can see an average on how people have entered either long or short on these things. So that is very important. The other interesting part is when you just go to the outlook here. So on the outlook here, you can just see how different pairs are performing. For example, if you just look so well over here on the Euro USD, you see that 52% of people are on the short and 48% are on long, and that is quite interesting a lot. And if you can see, it's almost 50%. But when you go to the Audi New Zealand, you see that majority are actually on the long, because that is 78% on the long, and that is quite interesting, because this is, you can even switch to 4-hour time frame to see how much people are here, and you can see 78%, and all that is quite interesting here. So all those things you can just see them on Myfx, and there are a lot of things that you can just do here, including that is calculating your risk reward ratio. You can track what you can just be doing, everything that you just be doing here. The Myfxbook will just be helping you to just do that. Now the next application that we'll be having here is called the TradingView. So one thing about TradingView is where you can analyze your market. TradingView helps you so much to analyze the chart just like this. You can analyze, for example, you have something like a US oil and you can just come up with your SOL here, and then you can just analyze it into the market, and that is going to be becoming very interesting part here. So you can just check over here, because TradingView actually becomes so simple compared to the MT5 and other applications that you have, that you can just be using to do what is called the technical analysis. So this is going to be very interesting, just like that. So if you see this well, you can see it's going to be becoming very simple for you. The other thing that you can just do here is even to just tilt the screen like that, and you're going to get a full view of that, and it's just going to be becoming very simple for you. So with that, when you just want to analyze, you click this pen, you can see you can add trends. These are trend lines that you can just add into the market. You can add Fibonacci here, geometric shapes. You can add nodes, patterns that you've been getting to the market. And when you have forecast or data ranges, you can just be putting there the emojis, all these things that you're just going to be getting here on the TradingView for free. And the other important thing, apart even from this technical analysis that you are going to be helping the TradingView, just going to be helping you to do, you're going to be, when you go to the Explore here, you're going to get the top stories that are trending of the currencies here. For example, you can see here we have the Euro USD drift lower for the second day in a row, it 1.0 to float near 200 AMA. So this is according to the analyst. So people are posting here, which is very interesting, because you'll be receiving this news the moment they are being posted right here. So you can also get the idea, so which means if you don't have an idea, or maybe probably you left your trends and all that, so you can just come over here and look how much all other traders are doing, how they are doing in the market, how they are analyzing the market, and you can just get a good idea like that. For example, if you just get there is a support like this on this pair, that is USD CHF, you can actually realize that on this time frame, I'm just going to be using this because I am already able to spot we have a support area and the market is just moving just like that. So you can just get good ideas when it comes to technical analysis. There are several of them that has been posted here, so you can just be checking to get the ideas of the market, which is quite interesting from that. The next application that is very important when it comes to the market here is called this one. So you can see we have the MetaTrader 5 or MetaTrader 4. So what it happens in the MetaTrader 5, you can see you can just link it to your account. That is means that you're just going to link it to your broker. For example, you can see I have linked this to FXPesa broker, that is EGM Securities. And anytime you just want to do your trends, you just have to come here and then execute your trend, and then it's just going to be very interesting. You can even track how much you have made, how much you have made today, how your trends are running everywhere, because this platform is very simple. And also you can also do your technical analysis here, in case probably you have seen the market moving here. You can just do a quick technical analysis on your MT4 or MT5 just like that. Even to execute the trends, you can just execute your trend just like that, or close the trend. This is a demo account, so you can even come to the MT5 to practice. When you have the market is running on the demo account, you can just come to the MT4 or MT5 to just practice on that. There are several applications that you can just use on the same, but those three applications are very interesting when you are a forex trader, because you're going to be mastering a lot of things when it comes to that. So you can execute your trend just like that. Let me show you. Like when you just want to enter, you just enter like that, and then you can see you are already on the trend and the trends are already running. You can click and open multiple of them just like that. You can see, and this is going to be becoming very interesting. One thing quite about MT5 is that you can decide to close all losing position at once, even if you have multiple of them, 20 of them running, or you can close all between profitable and the ones that are running on the loss. So that is one quite important thing about the MT5. There are other applications that you can just use on the same, which is like investing.com, where you can just get also ideas on how the market is actually running, and this is going to be becoming very important for you. So investing.com, even on the PC, if you have a PC, then you use investing.com, you're going to be getting news, ideas, how the market is just moving, indices also, and you're going to be receiving all those news from here, including some signals, because they provide some signals, technical analysis to give you ideas and all that. The other thing that you just be needing into the market is the notebook to write the journals, and that you can use even the Microsoft Excel. If you have the Excel, you can just be using the Excel to write your note. That is going to be becoming very easy for you when you're just noting between your pairs that you enter, the position that you enter, the loss that you have made, and all that. So what is going to be helping you so much here is Excel. You can use what we call the Edgework, Evernote. All those you can just use to track your position that you open, the profit that you have made. If you have these 3 applications that I've just showed you here, then you're going to be ahead of the market. You're going to be updated early, and you're going to be making right decisions when it comes to Forex trading. Don't forget to follow me on all social media platforms, Instagram, TikTok at Dan Tech Forex. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.